In this video, I'll show you how to mark all emails as read in Gmail mobile. So to get started, go ahead and open Google Mail into your mobile, and then in here, click on the menu icon at the top left of your screen. And then from here, you need to go ahead and head over to all inboxes, and then go ahead and long press one email to start selecting. So long press one email and then click on select all, which you'll find in the top left of your screen, and then click on this mail icon at the top right of your screen beside the three dots to be able to mark as read all of these messages on your Google Mail account. And that is how you can basically mark all emails as read in Gmail mobile.